Shubor Nongïalam jong Nongsan Hima.
Sir.
Nongïalam ka National People's Party ubadi MLA ka South Tura Conrad ki sangma ula syajit kum Nongïalam ka Parliamentary Party jong ki arpun riungut ki MLA ka NPP. Ya kanila Pynbna de National Vice President ka NPP uba Prestone tansong hasyabanit ya kandu ya ulat ka jilla uphagu Chauhan haraj bawan mentagasngi ka Leit tarek ulaber arhajar arpulai hakapor khatwi baje min step.
Just now their PP meeting of all the newly elected NPP. Just now we have elected and we decided and we have also elected Sri Conrad a Chief Minister as the PP leader of the that is the decision we take.
Nakalyang Conrad ula Pynbna ba ka NPP kalayo padiang ya ka Shithi na ka BJP ka ba ajing karsyan lang Thaw ya ka Sorkar. Haba kali katnutali ki seng sign partai ki ba kloy ban ajing karsyan lang Conrad shim la ya thu hanray lo ong bakidan ki seng ki balaya kren but ansatip shy ya kata.
Sir, in total, how many MLAs are going to Governor House along with this?
No, so we are, of course, our NPP MLAs are on their way because they are all election results got over last night. So till they are formally here, of course, on the phone we have spoken to everybody, and we are going to proceed as a party. And of course, BJP has given its formal support to us, but we are going to meet the Honourable Governor. Requesting him to call us and invite the National People's Party to form the government. And in the meantime, as I said, the BJP and other political parties have already extended their support, and those details are still with us.
Which are the other political parties?
Yeah, we'll let you know.
Sir, you are going to a state claim to get the formation of government. You have a number?
Yes, absolutely. We have been communicating. Yeah, we've been communicated that the Honourable Home Minister and the Honourable maybe even the Honourable Prime Minister would like to attend the swearing in, and therefore we are waiting for confirmation from the Honourable Prime Minister's office. So if he will be attending the swearing in, then we'll have to wait for the dates according to the. No, we are asking the governor to invite the National People's Party, being the single largest party, to form the government. And as I said, we have already got support from different political parties, and that we will let you know.
How many MLAs?
I'll let you know.
Sir, any Congress candidate has also approached any Congress candidates?
As I said, those details we cannot give it right now. We don't want to give all the details right now. But just want to tell you that we have sufficient.
What would be the name of the coalition?
We'll sit down. We'll sit down and discuss.
Will it be MDA?
We're going to sit with the partners. Today we just had a meeting only with our NPP mainly, and of course our independent from Bakmara is also here already. Yeah, and BJP. So right now we are our 29. 29 means as the party from different independent and the political parties.
So HSPTP has also extended support to you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we don't want to give all the details. Just wait and watch. So we'll be.
Sir, do you have 32 number right now? Sir, do you have 32 number right now standing with you?
Absolutely. More than. Yeah, the violence, in fact, it's very unfortunate. It shouldn't have happened. We understand the sentiments, of course, are there. People are very emotional at this point in time. So a lot of violence took place in different locations, but things are, as of now, under control. And I would like to urge all the people of all political parties that the election is done. We have finished the democratic process, and violence is not the way. So I would appeal to the people also and the political parties not to get into any kind of violence.
What will be attribute to your success?
No, I mean there's nothing like that. We just we have worked committedly for the people in the last 5 years, and people have given us an opportunity to move forward.
Hagoi pat kalyang Menteri Rangba u Conrad ke sangma Nongïalam ya ka kenhun jong ki MLA ke NPP bat BJP ban le ya kendu yo lat ha ka baula IT ru ya shithi I no kam kum Menteri Rangba bat ulah kam ru ha kamat ulat ya ka jingbon pat na ka banta Thaw ya ka Sorkar ka bat thamai.
As soon as the MLAs all start arriving here, we will formally get all the signatures done. As soon as all the MLAs, because the problem is, as I said, the results just came out yesterday. So a lot of the MLAs have just come out in the constituencies. Some are still on the way. All these things are there. So later, so I'll talk to you later, guys. Properly, I'll talk to you. I'll brief you. But because as I said, MLAs are still on their way. That is the reason why we don't want to submit a list which is half.
So by evening,
mainly NPP MLAs have not been able to